How's it going, guys? Jake's Aviation here. Today we're doing another unboxing and review of a model aircraft that I've wanted for a while, and I happened to find one on eBay, I picked it up for a decent price, but it's a very rare model, as you're going to see in a second. It is the JetBlue A320 in the barcode. It's a 320 with Sharklets, but it's by Velocity Models. And this company no longer exists. They don't make models anymore, so finding one of these was pretty rare, and I'm really happy I got one. I have two other Velocity models, and I'm sure you guys remember seeing those in my videos years ago. I had I think it's a Spirit and a Volaris, but today I got the JetBlue A320 to do a unboxing and review of. I've opened this once just to check it. It's really nice, so you know, when I got it from eBay, I just wanted to make sure it was okay. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, these models, like Velocity models, anything like that is rare because, as I say, they're not around anymore. So you know, the box, really nice, obviously. Got the picture of the plane, and then at the back, you know, so, and whatnot. I do really like this design. This is really nice, you know, it's fancy. It's something different, so I think that's really cool. Anyways, let's put that aside, and here's the model. Still really nice. Honestly, it was been, I can't remember if it was used. I think it was brand new still when I got it. Someone just had it, never used it. But anyways, this is the model. It's really nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and zoom in here. So as you can see, hopefully that's gonna focus. There we go, I think that's good enough. I'm just gonna have to kind of hold it. Oh, it's not focusing properly, my bad, guys. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, there we go. Alright, so as you can see, really nice. Really highly detailed, especially the nose bit. If it'll focus. It's having a hard time focusing, I'm sorry about that. Try to zoom in a little bit, maybe zoom in. I'll take this away. Nah, it still is not working. Anyway, I apologize for that. Oh, there we go. That's a bit better. So yeah, overall, very nice model. Very detailed for what it is. No antennas or anything. I believe this is because it's very similar to the Aeroplastics mold. But as you can see though, the plane, so the JetBlue logo, we have the doors. It has the name of the aircraft, which is Blue by Popular Demand. So that's right, that's under here. So that's really nice. Engines are, you know, very nice. Got the JetBlue logo on it, as you can see. And everything, and moving down the wing, and the little Sharklets, really nice. Back to the tail, registration 809JB. It says Airbus A320 there, and then obviously the barcode tail, which is really nice. You can see. So, yeah, and then we'll turn it around to this side. You can see, got the cargo doors and whatnot. So this one has the rear little baggage door and a cargo, so I can do both. Also really nice is the JetBlue logo inside the engine there, which I think is pretty cool. But overall, a simple but very nice model when it comes to it. If you don't already have one, I do recommend it. Again, you're probably only going to find it on eBay, but it's worth having a look for. So with that being said, that's going to wrap up this small unboxing review. Sorry about the little camera issues, I'm still working it out and whatnot, but yeah guys, so hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you subscribe and like, and see you on the next video. Take care.